Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean here, living the corporate pilot life. I am sitting on my back porch right now, riding out a tropical storm, was a hurricane. I don't know what it is right now. It could be either, but it's Isaias. I believe I'm saying that correctly. My back porch faces east, so it's like 50-ish miles straight behind me to the center of it right now. It's obviously not too bad out here, a little bit of wind. We get the feeder bands passing by every now and then. We are on the west side of it, which is traditionally the lesser intense side of the hurricane. So yeah, I'm just hanging out here, riding it out. My wife and kids are out of town right now. They stayed at her parents' place for the past few weeks. Just happened to work out during hurricane this time. So anyway, I'm here hanging out with the cat, just kind of bored, got nothing going on. So I spent the last 2 days editing a video for you guys to watch. It's not quite ready yet. It's actually in that room over there rendering right now. So I got to do a couple of final checks on it, make sure it's good to go, and I will get that out to you guys here real soon. But in the meantime, I just wanted to put out a little video and apologize for not being present here lately. Alarion has been really crazy. It's been really good, but being the director of operations for a growing company like this has got a huge drain on my personal life and personal time, and therefore less time for me to edit videos. It's been, like I said, really good for the company because in the last 3 months, 2 months, something like that, we've added 4 aircraft to the certificate. We're working on the 5th one right now. Hopefully next week, maybe the week after, it'll be finalized. So fingers crossed. Like I said, awesome for business. We're growing, we're adding pilots, we're adding airplanes. So I couldn't be happier with that. But like I said, it's literally a 7-day-a-week job right now, keeping everything rolling. So yeah, that's my life. The 4 airplanes that we've added so far over the last few months, we've got 2 Hawker aircraft. One of them's an 800 XP, the other one's an 850 XP. Both of them fantastic airplanes in great condition. So that makes 5 total Hawkers that we've got in the fleet right now. We added our 3rd Legacy 600 last week. We added a Global 5000 aircraft the week before that, which I'm really excited about that one because I may get to fly it. Fingers crossed, it might happen, we'll see. So if that happens, obviously you guys are gonna get to check it out and see it. Big airplane, beautiful airplane. It is just really, really nice. So I'm excited to get to show you guys that at some point. Whether I fly it or not, I'll show it to you guys. So stand by for that. It's going to be up north for a little while, so we'll see when I get to get eyes on it and get to play with it a little bit. So anyway, I hope everything's going well for you guys. Coronavirus is still in full swing down here in Florida, so we're riding it out, hoping for the best. Luckily, nobody in the company, nobody in my family has been directly impacted by it yet. Fingers crossed that it stays that way. So again, hopefully you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Like I said, I'm working on some videos to get out for you guys here real soon, and we will talk to you guys later. Keep living the corporate pilot life. See ya.